In this video, I will tell you about the construction line and array command of AutoCAD. So construction lines are simply lines which are used for helping to make other geometries, and they are infinite lines. So to make the construction line, go to the draw panel, expand it, and now select this option here. So here we have this construction line. You can also use its command equivalent X line. Now, in order to make this construction line, simply click at a point to start it and now click at the second point. So in this case, you'll see that we have an infinite line and you can click at any point to add this line. So I'll click at this point and once again, I'll click at this point. So now we have these two construction line. Now press enter to escape this command, and here we have a vertical and a horizontal construction line. Now let's assume that we also want to add a ray here, and array is simply another construction line, but it only starts from a point and goes in a direction. And in case of construction line, it starts at a point and goes in both the directions. So let's now expand the draw panel, select the ray tool, click at this point, and now you'll notice that this ray is going only in one direction. So you can click at any point to place it, and now press enter again to escape this command. These kind of geometries are quite helpful in making walls or the exterior boundaries of certain objects, and after making the geometries you can trim the remaining portions to make the geometries. So when you select the construction line tool, you'll see there is an option of offset. So selecting this option will allow you to create another construction line at certain distance from the original one. So let's say that we want to make another construction line at a distance of 10 units. So let's type 10, press enter. Now select the first construction line and click on the direction on which you want to make another construction line. And here we have it. So now we have another construction line in the upper direction. So in a similar way, if you want to make the construction line in this direction, simply select it and now click downwards, and here we have it. So in this way, using this offset tool, you can make multiple construction lines at certain offset distance from the original one, and we'll learn about this offset tool later on in the next module also.